Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Tucker.
Meow.
Good, good kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Meow. She knows your voice.
Fly me to the moon. Hey, Tucker, where's the kitty? Tucker. Oh, there's the kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Pretty bird. What is that? Is that a peanut? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Oh, there you go. That's what I've been waiting for. You are just in rare form today, aren't you, Tuck?
She has been. She's been.
Nice sunny day, isn't it?
I haven't been around as much lately. She doesn't want to. That is so amazing, Patty.
What?
She doesn't want to get over her.
Tucker, I know you probably hate my face right now, don't you?
Patty's not gonna hurt you. She says, I know better. Tigers are bad.
Oh, Tucker, I wouldn't hurt you. You know that. Good girl.
Well, it's good information because we know the visual is some of it, but dang, that's good information.